Hello, everyone. I hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about VPNs and how to use them. So, what is a VPN? A VPN, or a virtual private network, creates a private network from public Wi Fi, which makes you anonymous on the internet. For a small monthly fee, it helps secure your online privacy so your private information and browsing habits are protected. So beyond securing your connection, certain VPNs can also be used to connect your device to servers outside of your actual location. This can be handy for hiding your location, but also for getting access to certain online content that might not be available in your region. Put simply, VPN is useful when you want to access websites or other online services that are not available from your own location. For example, if you're a Canadian and would like to subscribe to Hulu, which is only available in US, you would be able to do so by using a VPN. So downloading a VPN. Today we'll be talking about how to download a VPN onto your computer and phone. Since the process is slightly different depending on the type of device, there will be separate slides for each. So downloading a VPN on your computer. So the first step is finding a VPN to download, and we will show you some VPNs that are known to be trustworthy. So NordVPN. NordVPN has strong security features and a very large network of its servers, meaning you can connect far and wide. And the monthly subscription costs $3.71. ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is a super concerned about privacy, and it has maybe the largest breadth of all servers, allowing you to connect to basically anywhere in the world. It is on the pricier side, however, and if you don't need all that access, a simple VPN is better. The monthly subscription costs $6.67. TunnelBear VPN. This kind of VPN is simple, safe, and affordable. It has great reviews and is a trusted VPN. The monthly subscription costs $3.54. Surfshark VPN. It provides unlimited devices on an account and great features, but it comes at a higher price. So the monthly subscription costs $11.95. Proton VPN. This is a simpler VPN, but it does offer a free version, which is the best possible free version out there. And for a paid membership, you could get one for $5 a month. Mulvad VPN. So Mulvad is a simple and straightforward VPN at a reasonable price of $5 per month. CyberGhost. CyberGhost is a good VPN with strong privacy measures, a large network, and allows for simultaneous connections. It is pricier though and comes at the cost of $12.99 a month. So downloading a VPN. You can download any of these VPNs on your computer from their website or from the built-in app store in your mobile device. Just make sure you are on the right website. On your phone, you can download the apps we showed using your smartphone's app store. The apps will work much the same on both devices. So setting up a VPN. We will use ExpressVPN in this example. So first you go to their website if you're on a computer, or you download the app if you're using a mobile device. You will first create an account on the website. And then on the home page, you will click Get Started and then select a plan. So the picture on the right side here shows three different plans, and you can choose one that interests you. If you want to use the VPN on your phone, open the app and simply sign into the account you have already created on your computer. But if you did not create an account there is a new user option right below the sign in button, which you can use to create a new account. You will be asked if you want to share app reports with ExpressVPN. You can select OK or No thanks. Setting up a VPN. So the app will ask to set up a connection on your device. Click OK, and this gives it permission to set up your VPN. You can now connect to your VPN. It is very simple. When you are ready to use VPN, just tap the power button and it will turn on. You can also select a different location than where you are at the bottom of the screen. The VPN is on when the power button is green as opposed to red. To turn it off, just hit the power button again and the button would turn red and the VPN would stop working. Other VPNs. All VPNs look a bit different, but many will be pretty straightforward like ExpressVPN. If you have security software on your computer already, it might come with a VPN, or else you may be able to upgrade to get one. So check that out before downloading something new.
I hope that was really helpful for you. Thank you, Day, for presenting it. So, of course, as always, if you'd like to go through this session again with the Cyber Seniors mentor, you can book a session through the Cyber Seniors website or call the number on the website. Or if you want to do a drop in, you can check out the tech drop ins weekly at the usual time.